Hey guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok Covent Garden. It's Wok Wednesdays, and this week it's serious wok cooking, flash fried, morning glory. So this is one of the quickest side dishes you could ever make. You can't go slow because it will overcook and it just won't taste anywhere near as good. Now I actually saw a wok chef in Thailand cook this morning glory within about 20 seconds, and the way that he cooked it was just incredible because he just sort of piled everything up in one go and then got his wok onto really high heat and just maneuvered the wok hay around in a masterful way. So we're going to show you how quick and easy it is. And morning glory gets its name from well, the polite way, it's his first vegetable to move towards the sun in the morning. You can look up other ways online. The chili, all I'm going to do is just get some essence of chili flavour out. So I've just sliced a little bit and I'm going to start to pile everything over the top. Garlic, good bash, like so. Ginger. Similar sort of method really, just peel that ginger. And again, over the top. To save us time when we're wok cooking, I'm going to pour all the sauce over the top as well. I've got some vegetarian stir fry sauce here to keep it veggie friendly. And traditionally, Chinese would have used oyster sauce. Veggie stir fry sauce is pretty good. Light soy sauce over the top of that. Rice wine, and if you were on fire that would literally light up. And then a little bit of sesame oil over the top. And my dish is ready to cook. Simple as that. Now, the trick to this is being super ready and quick with your wok work. So we're going to get this at a high heat. I need a reasonable amount of oil in my wok. And I'm going to swirl that oil around. Now I want the oil to be smoking hot. And I want to count to 5 seconds or so before I pour everything in. So you can see the oil starting to smoke now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get all that veg in and then the veg over the top. Allow that to cook through for about 10 seconds and then start to tummy in the head through. Fold it over, tummy in the head through. But keeping that high heat going, and you're cooking this vegetable through until the leaves have just started to wilt. So I'm about 30 seconds in now, not long to go. So no more than a minute of flash fry, and my morning glory is ready. Straight out the wok. Super tasty, still crunchy, and really green. And that is how you make your morning glory. It's a great colour. You can hear the crunch, super crunchy, but even like the garlic and the ginger has been sort of nicely caramelised within that sort of 30 seconds to a minute of cooking. That's how you cook morning glory the real way. If you like this recipe, you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to the School of Wok channel. Hey guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok Covent Garden. It's Wok Wednesday. Wednesday? Where am I from? Scotland? Alright, okay.